Flubenol poultry wormer, how we use it. Flubenol is a wormer approved by poultry in Australia to treat roundworm and tapeworm. However, it is also approved for treating gapeworm in New Zealand. Gapeworm is not as common as other worms, but just keep in mind. Instruction is very straightforward. Depending on what you are treating, you just need to mix the certain amount with the feed and feed it for 7 days. These are the equipment we use, of course, scale and safety equipment, and the feed and Flubenol. First, we measure out the feed and measure out the Flubenol using scale. There is a scoop inside the top that can measure out 13 grams, but we prefer using the scale so we can measure out the exact amount we need. It is a very fine powder. It mixes really well with any type of feed. After mixing, we simply put it back in the feeder and then feed the chooks for 7 continuous days. So if we start on Monday afternoon, we make sure that they get the mixed feed until next Monday evening. Fresh batch of Flubenol usually has about 2 years of expiry, we noticed, and 600-gram top will set you back around $60 to $80 depending on where you get it from. So probably a good idea to share with a couple of other keepers, or simply get feed that already has a Flubenol mixed in and feed the chooks for 7 days. We worm our chooks every 3 months. For backyard flock, twice a year is good enough unless there's a worm burden. Happy chickening, everyone!